What is up, my brothers and sisters? Today we're gonna go over my new favorite Elliott Wave count for this structure we are in for Bitcoin in the crypto markets. Also gonna hit Ethereum. Guys, I'm a professional Elliott Wave trader. This is what I do, baby. Stick around if you want to learn Elliott Wave. Join the Discord. It's free, linked in the description below. Let's get right into this and analyze this structure. What do we got going on here? Right off the bat, we're getting into it. I'm on the daily time frame. I've been calling this a WXY of some kind for so long now, and I still think it's a WXY. But how this has played out is off of our big structure here. And stick with me, guys. I'm going to go through smaller term time frame stuff, and we're going to analyze what's happening here for some immediate trades that you kind of get into. But let's just hit big picture real quick. We're correcting this entire structure from the all-time high. That is what we're doing, in my opinion. Currently in a correction, we're at the 0.5 fib. Now, what is this corrective structure? I have a flat here, an ABC. I'm going to change this lime green just because I like the way it looks. And then I have a flat here. Corrected this. How deep did we go? To the 382, very shallow. And now this impulse up out of here, I'm looking at this being an A. I'm looking at a B down and a C up for a giant WXY. Now that's seeing quite far into the future here, because we are just impulsing here. You know good as well, this could just zoom up. And that's, I think, what most people are expecting. Maybe a slight correction and then we're gone. So, I need 5 waves to finish up this impulse. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are in the 5th wave currently. If I had to guess, we're going to come up, tap this zone, maybe get rejected here. People think that, oh, this is a big rejection. It's going to entice quite a few shorts in here. But we're really just going to come down and test this breakout zone right here. So we need 5 waves to finish. I will be looking for an ABC correction to the downside like so to test this liquidity, and then an impulse up out of here, come bust through this area, take this liquidity all up in here. Everyone's gonna think from that point we tested the breakout, we're gonna go warm, all new all-time highs. That is literally what everyone will think. And all it is a giant WXY. We've corrected all the way up to the 618 of our leg down. And I would be expecting to go along with this ABC, a matching A, B, C to the downside, guys. This is what I see in the charts as an Elliott Wave trader. Heed my warning if you want. Get bullish and buy and go up to the moon if you want. It don't matter to me. I know what I'm doing at the end of the day. You guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. Before we hit Ethereum, let's hit the small time frames. The trade setup I am looking for on Bitcoin currently is a flat. In this flat, let me draw this out for you. I have an A, B, C to the downside off of our high. I have, or I want to see at least, an A, B, C to the upside. Maybe just come up, tap this, we can break through slightly. But maybe come test this and people think we just reject hard. I want to see an impulse off the top. Come down, hit this liquidity here. And that is nothing but a flat correction. And I would expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. And we'll see what happens there. This is the structure I'm playing. I'm looking long here. I am looking short here. I am looking long here on a break of this. That's one way you can play, guys. It doesn't have to play like this. It's just what I'm seeing in the charts currently right now. Again, join the Discord and you will stay up to date with this. There's a premium option if you want, guys. You don't have to. If you're fine with the free version, that's fine. I got a course in the premium version. Whatever. It's my little sales pitch. That's all I got for you. Ethereum. Oh, I have a tab open. Ethereum. What are we looking at? Guys, I'm going to zoom out on Ethereum and show you how this matches up with what I'm seeing for Bitcoin's Elliott Wave count. Primary Elliott Wave count. I want to see a finished ABC coming up to the 1-to-1 extension here. Right where I drew that. And it's just going to link up with this ABC. We have an ABC to the downside. And this right here is a WXY. Okay. That's what looks good to me. For right now. So when Bitcoin hits a little bit higher, I expect Ethereum to hit quite high as well. We're looking at a, from this point, 15% juice right there to the 1-to-1. And then we'll see what happens at that point. From there, I'm expecting an ABC to coincide with Bitcoin. And then maybe we get one last ABC to the upside. And our WXY comes and looks something like this. You know, maybe this comes all the way down like this. And then we got that. It's just what I'm seeing in the charts. Let's go small time frame. Let's get it up and close and personal here. Right now, this looks like a flat from here. So we could see some serious downside for Ethereum. When Bitcoin's flat occurs, I will be looking to short Ethereum quite heavily. Let's see. Yeah, we're at these extension marks. I want to see one last push up here. Something like that. When Bitcoin dumps, oh, man, it would be nice to get something like that. This is what Ethereum's looking like to me right now, guys. Right there. And then we can come up for some more if we want. Right up to the 1-to-1. That 1-to-1 extension will happen right there. How's that look? Let's just see what I drew and take away the fibs. Does that look good? And all this is just a wave 4 into a wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'll draw this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go out a little more. Does that get us to the 1-to-1? Yes, it does. How's it look? How's it look? How's it look? This is Elliot Wave Theory, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. Hope you got something out of this. If you did, leave a like. Leave a comment on what coin you want to see next. I did Ethereum because someone left a comment in the last video. I liked it. So comment what coin you want to see below, or stock, or commodity. It does not matter. I will do anything. I'll see you in the Discord. I appreciate you watching. I love you all. Bye.